In the world of content creation, audio quality can make or break the final product. The DJI Mic Mini is one of the most compact yet capable wireless microphone systems available today, designed for creators, educators, and filmmakers who demand professional sounds in a portable package. It combines sleek design, effortless setup, and powerful features. Over the next few minutes, we will explore what's inside, the key hardware details, device compatibility, app features, and the real-world performance that makes it a strong choice in 2025. Before continuing, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creator GR reviews. The unboxing begins with paperwork neatly placed at the top of the box. The paperwork includes the quick start guide and a warranty information, giving creators a clear overview of setup, safety details, and product registration. It's neatly printed, easy to follow, and designed to help you get recording within minutes. Below, it is a sealed carrying pouch containing the included accessories. Opening the pouch reveals each item carefully organized with protective wrapping that keeps the accessories secure and ready for immediate use. Inside are the Fury windshield, a 3.5mm TRS to TRS cable for cameras, and a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. The windshield comes wrapped in protective plastic. Next is the DJI Mic Mini charging case, secured in a protective plastic. It features a sturdy, compact design with a magnetic lid. Opening it reveals the main component, a slim USB-C receiver with a smooth gain control dial, two compact wireless transmitters with built-in microphones, and the included USB-C adapter. The receiver gain control dial allows precise adjustments ranging from plus 12 decibels for maximum sensitivity down to minus 12 decibels for quiet environments. This provides flexible sound control for a wide range of recording scenarios. Each transmitter is compact and lightweight, featuring a built-in microphone with noise cancellation, a multifunction power button, and an LED status indicator. The included USB-C adapter adds flexibility, allowing the receiver to connect seamlessly with devices that don't have a built-in USB-C port. It locks securely into place, ensuring a stable connection during recording. The receiver begins with a dedicated slot for USB-C adapter, which locks securely into place. It also includes a USB-C port that supports direct connection and convenient charging. LED indicators light provide clear feedback on transmitter and Bluetooth status, while the connection button makes pairing simple and reliable. Finally, a 3.5mm TRS headphone jack allows live audio monitoring during recording. A Fury windshield attached securely to each transmitter, reducing wind noise during outdoor recording. They can be clipped directly onto clothing for quick use. The DJI Mic Mini works seamlessly with a variety of devices. When paired with the Lexar Professional SSD, it creates a lightweight and portable setup, perfect for field recording, interviews, or content on the go. These combinations not only keep your gear minimal, but also ensures faster transfer and dependable storage without extra bulk. On the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it provides true plug-and-play convenience. The receiver connects instantly, no drivers or extra app required. An excellent choice for creators who value speed and simplicity. Whether for vlogging, social media, and mobile filmmaking, it guarantees reliable audio capture directly alongside 4K and ProRes video recording. Mounted on the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro, the Mic Mini adds professional audio without affecting stabilizer balance. This setup delivers cinematic footage with clear sound, ideal for travel, live streaming, and dynamic content. And when connected to the iPad Pro M4, the receiver is detected immediately. It supports both recording and editing workflows, making it convenient for educators, podcasters, and professionals who want complete setup on one device. The DJI Mic Mini app unlocks the full potentials of the Mic Mini. It begins with downloading the app and connecting the transmitters to the iPad via Bluetooth. The transmitters has a built-in magnet that allows it to attach securely to clothing. Once linked, the app instantly recognizes it and provides deeper control. In the DJI Mimo app, the transmitter settings are laid out in a simple, organized menu. Options include auto off, which conserves battery by powering down the transmitter when not in use, a noise cancellation toggle that reduces background noise, and a mic LED controls for visibility. These features give creators direct control over performance and battery life, all from an easy-to-use interface on the iPad. Inside the DJI Mimo app, the receiver settings provide full control over your audio. You can enable noise cancellation to reduce background noise, switch between mono and stereo channels. Additional options include the low-cut filter to remove unwanted low frequencies, auto off for power saving, auto on and off with camera for synchronized control, and clipping protection to avoid distortion. The DJI Mic Mini delivers clear, natural and professional audio. It reduces background noise effectively, while the included windshield minimizes wind interference during outdoor use. With adjustable gain level from +12 dB to -12 dB, recordings remains balanced and distortion-free. The DJI Mic Mini is compact, powerful, and creator-ready in 2025. If you found this review helpful, consider liking the video.